Hey guys, it's Alicia here at North London Toyota. Today we're sitting in our 2022 Tundra Limited, and I'm going to quickly show you how to add a user to Bluetooth as well as set up your wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. I have an iPhone, so it'll be Apple CarPlay. We're going to get started here. You're just going to go into your Bluetooth settings, which you can find clicking the settings icon here. It'll show you Bluetooth and devices. You'll click on that. I'm going to turn my Bluetooth on my iPhone here, and we're going to search for devices. It should pop up here. I already see my name here. I'm going to click on that. It's going to prompt me to pair that here. I'm going to click OK on the screen as well. Now you can sync your contacts as well as your favorites. I'm going to do that later, so I'm going to say do not allow. Now because this isn't my vehicle, we won't set up the Toyota mobile app just yet, so we'll exit out of there. Now a quick way to use the Apple CarPlay. By the way, we're already connected wirelessly through the Bluetooth. Now we're going to use CarPlay. Switch this on. And momentarily, this will pop up as well, and you're going to have to select Use CarPlay on your phone as well. Should pop up. Voila. And I'm going to allow, and that is how you're going to get your navigation, your Spotify, and anything else.
Hey guys, thanks again for joining me here at North London Toyota. My name is Alicia. You can reach me at 519-451-3880 or www.northlondontoyota.com.